In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Forms, how to add video or images to a survey, quiz, or form in Microsoft Forms. Start by heading to Microsoft Forms in your web browser. From your Forms homepage, choose the survey, quiz, or form you want to enhance and click to open it. Once you're inside the editor, click the title of your form. This brings focus to the header area where you'll see options to enrich the look and feel. To add a header image, click the Insert Image icon. You'll be prompted to choose where the image should come from, an online image search powered by Bing, your OneDrive, or a file uploaded from your computer. If you use Bing Image Search, take a moment to check usage rights and pick images you're allowed to use. If you're pulling from OneDrive or your device, aim for clear, high contrast images that look good at different screen sizes. You can also place images within individual questions. Click the question where you'd like the image to appear so the question is selected. On the right side of the question text box, click the Insert Media icon and choose Image. After you select or upload your image, it will appear in line with the question. Once your image is in place, click the Edit icon on the image to fine-tune it. Here you can zoom in or out to frame the subject, add alt text for accessibility so screen readers describe the image accurately, and adjust the display size to keep your layout balanced. A quick tip: write alt text that explains the purpose of the image in the context of your question, not just what it looks like. Now let's add a video to a question. Click the question where the video should go to select it. On the right of the question text box, click the Insert Media icon again, and this time choose Video. You'll see a field where you can paste a URL. Enter the direct link to a specific video hosted on YouTube or Microsoft Stream. Make sure the video is accessible to your respondents. For example, check sharing or permission settings in Stream so your audience can view it. When the link looks good, click Add, and the video will be embedded right beneath your question. With these additions, your form will be more engaging and clearer for respondents. Images can illustrate scenarios or provide reference material, and videos can demonstrate a process or give context before someone answers. Keep your visuals concise, use alt text consistently, and choose media that directly supports the question being asked. That's all you need to add images and videos confidently in Microsoft Forms.